Hi everyone! How's your day going? It's great to see you all. I've got a quick update for you. Anna is traveling today, so this episode will be just with me. Looks like you're stuck with me for the next few minutes. I know it's tough, but I'll try to make it as fun as possible. Today, we're going to learn about two important words in English, many and much. They're very common, but they can be tricky to use correctly. So, I'm going to explain when to use each one and give you some examples. Let's start by thinking about what these words mean. Many is used with countable nouns, things we can count. Much is used with uncountable nouns, things we can't count individually. I'll explain more about this, so don't worry if it's confusing. I'll give you plenty of examples. Let's start with many. Many is used for countable nouns, meaning things we can count. For example, we can say 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Check out these sentences with many. Many books, many people, many cars, many chairs. All of these are things you can count, right? Here are some example sentences. I have many books at home. There are many students in the class. How many friends do you have? So whenever you're talking about things you can count, use many. Now let's move on to much. Much is used for uncountable nouns. These are things you can't count individually. For example, we can't say 1 water, 2 waters, or 1 air, 2 airs. We just say water or air. Here are some examples with much. Much water, much money, much sugar, much information. We can't count water, money, or information in individual pieces. We can measure them, like a bottle of water or a cup of sugar, but we don't count them one by one. Here are some example sentences with much. There isn't much water left. I don't have much time today. How much money do you need? So, when you're talking about things you can't count individually, use much. Simple, right? Alright, to wrap up, let's do a quick review. Many is for things we can count. Books, chairs, people. Much is for things we can't count. Water, time, money. That's it for today's lesson. Now you should be able to use much and many correctly in your sentences. Thanks for participating, and I'll see you around.